How to fix OANDA app not working? First of all, check your internet connection, because a weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons why the OANDA app may not work properly. If the internet is fine, try closing the app completely and reopening it, or restart your device to refresh the system. If that doesn't solve the issue, go to your Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version of the OANDA app. Outdated apps often cause glitches, so updating may fix the problem immediately. Another method is to clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted files. If the issue still continues, you can visit OANDA's official website or reach out to their customer support for further help. Now you know how to fix the OANDA app not working issue and get back to smooth and secure trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.